Hello and welcome to the second lesson of my free grammar course, Much, Many and More. Today we're going to talk about 3 more quantifiers, much, many and a lot of. But first, let's quickly revise what we learned in the last lesson. Let's fill in the gaps with some or any. Great job! So, we use some in affirmative sentences, we use any in negative sentences and questions, and some can be used in questions when we expect the answer to be yes. Now we are ready to move on to our 3 new quantifiers, much, many, and a lot of. All these words mean the same thing. They talk about a large number or a large amount of something. For example, I don't have much money. I have many books. I have a lot of friends. But what is the difference between them? Let me remind you that we have 2 types of nouns, countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are things we can count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Or 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count directly. Milk, sugar, air, water, love, hope. We can't say 2 milks, 3 milks, 4 milks, but we can say a glass of milk, 2 glasses of milk, 3 glasses of milk. But in this case, we are counting the glasses, not the milk itself. The word glass is a countable noun, while milk remains uncountable. So, with countable nouns, we use many. For example, I have many books. She wants to learn many languages. We need to consider many different opinions. I have watched this movie many times. Please notice that with many we use plural forms of the nouns, like books, languages, opinions, times. With uncountable nouns, we use much. For example, we don't have much salt, it takes too much effort, there isn't much water in this lake, you're drinking so much coffee every day. And with much, we use singular forms of the nouns. Salt, effort, water, coffee. Is it clear now? Let's check a few tricky ones. Is time countable or uncountable?
We don't have much time.
We don't have much time, so dig in.
We don't have much time.
It is uncountable. But hours, minutes, seconds are countable. So we say much time, many hours. Be careful, we have one more word, times, that can be plural and is used with the word many. This other word, time, has a different meaning. It refers to how often something happens. In other words, the number of times an event occurs. And this kind of time is countable, so we use it with many. For example, I've been to London 3 times. She's called me many times today. You can count it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Let's compare. I don't have much time. Here, time means the general idea of time, and it's uncountable. I've been there 3 times. Here, times means the number of occurrences, and it's countable. So, even though the word looks the same, the meaning is different, and that's why we use much in one case and many in the other. One more tricky case. Is the word money countable or uncountable?
And how much money have you made for their clients over that time?
He makes so much money.
Yes, but we have not much money and
It's uncountable. But dollars, pesos, pounds are countable. So we say much money, but many dollars, for example. I know it might be hard to remember which word is used for what, as they sound so similar, much, many, but here's just a little thing that might help you remember. The word many has 2 syllables. Many. 1, 2. So we can count them, right? And that's why we use the word many for countable nouns. The word much only has 1 syllable. There is nothing to count. Much. And that's why we use it for uncountable nouns. I hope it helps. Now, how do we use a lot of? Good question. A lot of can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I have a lot of books, I have a lot of money, there is a lot of water in the pool, she has a lot of friends. So if you don't know whether the noun you'd like to use is countable or not, and you're not sure whether to use much or many, use a lot of, and you will be safe. Now, may I ask you to look around and think about how you can use the words much, many, and a lot of to describe the place around you. Just try to practice a little bit. Take a look and see what you can say. I have many, I have much, I don't have much, I don't have many, I have a lot of what. Just take a look and try to see how you can use these quantifiers in your real life. Now, I will show you some AI-generated pictures, and I will try to speak for the characters on the pictures and make some examples with much, many, and a lot of. So here is the first picture. I don't have much space left in my wardrobe, she might say. I have a lot of spoons. What do I need so many spoons for? I live alone. My sister doesn't have much time to clean her bedroom, apparently, but her spiders are having a lot of fun. I have so many plants. How much water do I need to take care of them? See, here we say many plants, because it's countable, but much water, because it's uncountable. So let's summarize. We use much, many, and a lot of to talk about a large amount of something. Use much with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. And a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns.